I was already familiar with my role as a customer, but before setting off, I wanted to familiarize myself with the individual links that make up the global supply chain. What I discovered is that a supply chain is a cycle, but if you had to pick a logical place to begin, it would be marketing. Prior to anything being produced, it is in a company's best interest to predict the level of demand. This is achieved by conducting research which helps identify potential markets and forecast projected sales. Once markets are identified and demand is established, the product design phase begins. At this time, the specifications and materials required for efficient and cost-effective production are decided upon. After a prototype is designed and tested, it is time to secure suppliers who provide the raw materials and components that will be used to create the finished product. Manufacturing is the next process. Production lines are developed to transform the raw materials and assemble the components into a finished good that can be sold to customers. Manufacturers must then get their product to market with the help of logistics. Logistics entails the planning, coordination, and execution required for distribution to the customer. Depending on the product, a customer could be a wholesaler, a retailer, or a consumer like me. But the supply chain doesn't end there. Sometimes it's necessary for products to flow back up the supply chain, as is the case with returns, repairs, and recycling. This process is known as reverse logistics. Reverse logistics also provides data and feedback that manufacturers can use to make improvements in their products, which brings us back to the beginning of the supply chain.